Next up is the sun shell. You can tell that this one's been hardened. But the coloration right here. Give it a good spin. Next up is the planetary ring gear. And now the inner part of it. I actually need to lube up the top of it to hold the bearing on to the surface here. So I can just drop it right on down in there, all lubed up. It's good practice to even lube it up just because it's going to be riding on metal. Go, just like so. Output shaft is next. And I also need to grab the snap ring that goes around it as well. Since I lost it whenever it shot all the way across the garage here. And if you can see this, it's beveled on one side. Try to get the beveled part to go downward to where it V's out like this, going down. That way you make it easier to pull off later if you need to. One word of advice, be careful when picking up your output shaft. That reluctor wheel is sharp. Okay. Hold that bad boy up with my knee. There we are. Give it a spin, both directions. We're good to go. That's pretty much it for the case area. Now all I have left to do is to build up the reverse drum and also the forward input drum.